Tubitak Defense Industries Research and Development Institute SAGE continues its activities to develop bunker buster for the air forces of countries allied with the Turkish Air Forces Command. The penetrator bomb NEB, which is developed by Tubitak SAGE and Turkey's first bunker buster ammunition, have been used for a long time by the F-16 Fighting Falcon and F-4E Terminator platforms that are currently in the Turkish Air Forces Command's inventory. The NEB ammunition with Mk-84 characteristics, which has been proven in the battlefield, in other words is combat proven, has shown high hit and penetration success with its guidance kit in different battlefields. Tubitak SAGE, with its started different bunker buster project with the experience gained from the NEB ammunition, launched the bunker buster ammunition named SIRT-82 and SARB-83 during the 14th International Defense Industry Fair IDEF-19. The first system-level firing test of the SARB-83 was carried out in Habras Test Infrastructure in 2020. In the efficiency test for the SARB-83's augmenting charge, the reinforced concrete target at the end of the line was penetrated and the test was successfully completed. Within the scope of the test activity, the SARB-83, which was accelerated by rocket engines on 2-kilometer rail, reached its target within approximately 5 seconds. As a result of the test, the SARB-83 ammunition managed to penetrate the reinforced concrete target. The SARB-83, which has high penetration efficiency at low impact rates and angles and provides high efficiency against the secondary targets with pre-shaped particles used in the augmenting charge design, can be used against different target types. Some target types of SARB-83 are as follows: munition depots, underground petrochemical depots, bunkers, aircraft shelters, command and control centers, aircraft runways, dams, bridges, critical buildings, radar antennas, stationary air defense missile sites, and parked aircrafts. The SARB-83 ammunition developed in accordance with the characteristics of the Mark 83 general purpose bomb and capable of piercing 1.8 meter thick reinforced concrete is planned to be ready for mass production in the near future after the flight test to be performed. Now, this bomb has 3 versions: the NURB and the SARB-83, the SIRT-82. Let's have a look at technical specifications of all versions. The length of NEB is 2600 mm and the length of SARB-83 is 1860 mm and the length of SIRT-82 is 1540 mm and the maximum diameter of NEB is 457.2 mm and the maximum diameter of SARB-83 is 356 mm and the maximum diameter of SIRT-82 is 273 mm. Penetration power of NEB is 2.1 meter and the penetration power of SARB-83 is 1.8 meter and the penetration power of SIRT-82 is 1 meter.